Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
And I'm Mama.
And we're here in the middle of nowhere at Southern. What is the name of this place?
Oh no,
Southern Supreme.
Southern Supreme,
Fruitcake
home of the
place.
fruitcake, and they got the best fruitcake.
Oh,
It's sent all over the world, and we're out in the middle of nowhere, out in the woods of somewhere, Bear Creek area. But anyway, let's just take a little walk and see what we can find.
I'm gonna go get me some fruitcake. Best fruitcake I ever ate.
Ever?
Ever.
All right. We'll get you a gift card. Right there's a gift card on the ground. And I guess this just started years ago as a small little bakery, and they made their little fruit cakes, and it got so popular they decided to just go ahead and expand. Walk around to the front. Southern Supreme Fruitcake, Bear Creek. Also, they have all kinds of stuff other than just fruitcake. They give you free samples and all kinds of candies and chocolates, and chocolate covered this, chocolate covered that. So let's go check it out. They know where you're at now. Let's get some samples. Hey. They gave us free samples. What all did they give us now? I wasn't paying attention.
Spicy dill pickles is delicious. Chocolate and this pecan praline, and the hot jelly, and fruitcake. Now the fruitcake's the best thing I ever found now. And I thought one time they made an awful fruitcake. This is delicious.
Here, Vic.
Because you put a teaspoon of mix to 8 ounces.
Of what?
1 teaspoon.
Oh, is that stuff to a whole gallon?
Yeah, this is, and you put, so if you've got the can, add 1 teaspoon of mix to 8 ounces. So 1 teaspoon per cup. I'm just going to get a cup of
A little bit of everything. Peach, strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, apple, holidays, apple. right, everybody, so we're in Southern Supreme Fruitcake Factory, and it's awesome. So y'all need to stop by. I'll put the address and the links below, and come out here. You still got time before Christmas for the big Christmas dinner, right, Mother?
Absolutely.
All right.
Best fruitcake ever.
All right. There. All right. Ready? Well, we did it, guys. We're on our way. We got a bunch of goodies for Christmas dinner. So don't forget, stop by Southern. I did it again, didn't I? What's it called?
Supreme.
Southern Supreme. So come on down.
That's
Thanks
what
for
it's
watching.
called. Merry Christmas.